How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk, welcome back to another moto video. I feel like such a ridiculous idiot right now because if you can look right now, I have a GoPro connected to my head without my helmet, which is right there. So if it's like the camera's above here, so I'm sorry if like the camera's like in different angles where I'm trying not to have it because that's the reason why. But today I'm going to be teaching you how to drain your motorcycle gas tank from the gasoline, and it is super simple and everybody should know how to do it. So obviously the first things you're going to need is like 3-4 things. Well, one, you're going to need a motorcycle with fuel in the tank. You're going to need a microfiber towel, gas can, and a tube. Any kind of tube, plastic. This one is just a cheap little Walmart one that I got, and it's this long and this works perfectly. So I'm going to teach you guys how to drain your gas tank by just using pretty much these two things. The towel is just to clean yourself up. So put the towel there. And obviously we're going to need our key to open up the fuel tank. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do is, I have it leaning so all the gas is on the sides. You're just gonna take the one end and just filter it through. You should see the fuel, just make sure it gets all the way in. You gotta play around with it for a little bit. All right, this is the quick and easy part that you gotta do. And you may be like, oh God, I don't want to do that, but honestly, it's super easy and simple because once like gravity gets going, you got no more work to do. So you're gonna take this end of the tube. I'm sorry if I'm like camera's above because again, I have it above my head and my eyes are down here. Okay, so we're gonna grab this part. We're gonna grab the gas can, take this part, and you're gonna put it in your mouth and you're gonna suck. Once the fuel gets to about right there, you're gonna quickly pull it out of your mouth, put it in, and put it below the gas tank. Because with gravity, once this is below the gas tank, it's going to constantly free flow, and I'll show you. So we're gonna get low. We're gonna do this, gonna hold this up like this, and then we're gonna suck, and then we're gonna just put it right into the gas can. So we're gonna lower the camera a little bit more, just so we can get an actual view of what's going on. All right, ready? So I'm gonna suck, watch the fuel go, and then you'll hear it come right out. Boom. Do you hear it? It's just pouring. And then you just let it sit there and let it do its job. That's all it is. And then you just let it sit, obviously, like I just said. You see it moving around a little bit, make sure it doesn't like come out of the thing. Then obviously you're gonna have to play with it a little bit in there to make sure all the gasoline's out, if that's how much of a drain you wanna do. Again, you can also use a pump, which I have over there. But again, there's no need to connect the pump when you can easily just drain the gasoline. As if you can see here, I'm gonna get down low. You can see it filling up. You can hear it. Again, I'm going to change my air filter on this bike. So that's the reason why I'm taking the gasoline out, so I can take obviously the gas tank off because my air filter's underneath that. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple guide on how to obviously drain your gas tank. I guess we'll move it around a little bit and see if gain some more, or is it all empty? I think it's empty at the moment. But as I was saying, I hope you guys enjoy this quick, simple, easy tip and trick on how to empty your gas tank. You guys didn't already know how to. And I just asked you guys, leave a like, comment, subscribe if this actually was helpful, because again, I'm doing this for you guys. But as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.